I have sent a WhatsApp chat, right? Today morning.
Wait, my phone is not working. Just give me a second.
Okay.
See, giving that heading is not possible. Okay.
I'm sorry?
Giving that heading like total sales margin, my material margin, get that from another sheet, append and another sheet and get that.
Can you explain me in the postal data? I don't know how to make it. That's where that's it.
There's nothing in it. See, you wrote those calculations, right? You wrote all those calculations. You can write those calculations, right? So there's nothing here, right? Here you have somewhere I'm bringing my subcategory. Or let me.
No, you just drag a category and measure name in column.
Yeah, that's what. I'm bringing measure names. Then I'm bringing measure values. So these are your, what do you say? First three.
Like, no, not like that.
Then?
Yeah, use a category into the measure before the measure names.
Pardon?
Category. Dimensions for the category.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to calculate only furniture and office supplies.
Furniture and office. What do you want to calculate?
From furniture and office supply, I need to calculate all the sales quantity and profit.
You want furniture and office supplies here, and where
Yes.
do you want to show the total?
I'm sorry?
You want furniture here and office supplies here.
Yeah. Then I need a new calculation of percentage of sales from furniture and office supplies below the profit, quantity and sales.
Again, not here you have furniture and office supplies.
Here
you have sales. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you have profit, quantity and sales, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need a new calculation to write about the both furniture and the calculation using a percentage wise.
Okay, in the total sales, what is the percent of total of this and this? That is what you are saying.
Yes.
Let me exclude this then.
What is the calculation? I don't know the formula.
Actually, you did not even write the calculation. You can directly take the table calculations here.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, Rajeshwar, it's showing in between the furniture only. I need a separate column. That is it.
You are having separate column, right? Still not sure what you're asking.
Okay. You couldn't make a name, right? This is total percentage.
I'm still not getting what you're asking. Here you want a column. We got the column.
Yes. Just check in the WhatsApp, Rajeshwar. There is a 2 column total sales and market margin, and then there's a percentage of over sales. I need that same.
See. Okay, you want it like this, right? Is this what you're looking?
Yes.
Yeah, then you got your percent of total here, right? For both of them. Your furniture and office supplies.
Okay. Percentage of total sales. Okay.
Okay, guys. Any other